Hello everyone. Today, let's get to know one of the most common and troublesome pests every household encounters, the top wood-destroying culprit, capable of eating through entire homes and tearing apart wooden furniture without a second thought. What is this creature? Let's find out. Drywood termite, Gyptotermes. Common name, drywood termite, Gyptotermes. The Gyptotermes drywood termite has a brown head and first thoracic segment. Its mouth parts are designed for chewing, with an upper lip that's orange-brown in color. Its antennae resemble a string of beads, and it has thin, transparent wings. The head is almost cube-shaped, with prominent projections extending forward, and its body is covered in stiff bristles. This termite species is known for infesting and feeding on drywood. It is considered both an economic and urban pest, often causing damage to stored wooden furniture and buildings. What makes them particularly troublesome is that the damage isn't visible from the outside. Only when the wood is cut open will you see large hollow cavities filled with their fecal pellets. These termites typically live in drywood, including old, low-moisture materials, and often build small nests in dead branches. Behavior and adaptations. Gyptotermes drywood termites are especially skilled at retaining moisture. They possess a specialized anal gland near their hind legs. Undigested material passes through their digestive tract and is then absorbed and expelled through this gland. This adaptation allows them to survive in dry conditions remarkably well. They are social insects that operate within a caste system and are commonly found throughout tropical and subtropical ecosystems. Asian subterranean termite, Gyptotermes gestroi. Common name, Asian subterranean termite. Gyptotermes gestroi is a very small termite species, with a body length of just 5 mm. Its first thoracic segment resembles a saddle, and the oval-shaped head is brown and covered in stiff bristles. The antennae are bead-like, and it has chewing mouth parts. Its wings are thin and transparent, while the abdomen is pale yellow. A distinctive feature of this termite is the fontanella, small opening at the front of its head that secretes a white liquid used for defense against predators. These termites feed on wood pieces, non-decayed timber, paper, and any materials containing cellulose. They forage by building mud tunnels from the ground, which helps prevent moisture loss and offers protection from natural enemies like ants. Gyptotermes gestroi is the most common species found infesting buildings in urban areas. In fact, 90% of termite damage in homes is caused by this species. They chew through wood along the grain, creating deep grooves. In severely damaged structures, the internal wood is often replaced with soil-like material, giving it a spongy, porous texture similar to a sponge. These termites live underground, building subterranean nests or entering buildings through cracks, conduits, or utility lines. They are commonly found around construction zones. Habitat and distribution, native to Southeast Asia. This termite species is widespread in humid areas across tropical and subtropical. Rubber termite, Gyptotermes curvignathus. Common name, rubber termite. Gyptotermes curvignathus is the largest Gyptotermes species found in Asia. One of its distinguishing features is a small opening on its head fontanelle that secretes a white fluid used to defend against predators. This defensive fluid is stored in glands located in the abdomen, giving the termite a distinct white-colored abdomen. The soldier caste has an oval-shaped yellow head, equipped with chewing mouth parts, bead-like antennae, and thin, transparent wings. Its mandibles are long and more curved than those of other Gyptotermes species. This termite attacks fresh and decaying wood and is a known pest of rubber trees, oil pumps, and coconut trees. Damage is often visible on the outer trunk in the form of earthen tunnels or crusts that may form in patches or encircle the trunk. These signs usually appear at the base or higher up on the trunk. Internal damage often starts at the roots and spreads upwards. When the soil-like crust on the trunk is scraped away, the bark underneath often reveals porous holes and exposed wood, sometimes even revealing the termites themselves. Coptotermes curvignathus builds its nests underground and forages by constructing mud tunnels from the soil. It is commonly found in both agricultural and urban areas wherever trees are planted. In the wild, it inhabits dry dipterocarp forests, hillsides, peat swamps, and coastal forests. Habitat and distribution: this species is native to Southeast Asia and is widely distributed across Thailand and the Indochina region. Dicuspidi termes termite, Dicuspidi termes. Common name, Dicuspidi termes. Dicuspidi termes termites have a body length of about 5 to 6 mm. Their head is rectangular in shape, with asymmetrical mandibles on each side. They have 14 segmented antennae that resemble a string of beads. The front edge of the upper lip is deeply notched, and they possess chewing mouth parts. Their wings are thin and transparent. These termites prefer to feed on soil, organic matter, leaf litter, and decaying plant material. One unique feature of this species is its nest structure. They typically build tall, tower-like earthen mounds or dome-shaped nests directly on the ground. They are commonly found in forested areas. Habitat and distribution: this species is native to Thailand, Vietnam, and Cambodia. In Thailand, it is found across all regions. When threatened, they release a red fluid that resembles blood to defend themselves from intruders. Because of this, locals often refer to them as blood termites. Termite life cycle: the termites mentioned above undergo complete metamorphosis. The female lays the first batch of 15 to 30 eggs, but can lay up to 1,000 eggs in total. The eggs are round and white, and they hatch into larvae within 2 to 4 weeks. The larvae resemble adult termites in appearance, with a white body, but their wings are not yet developed. They gradually change form until they reach adulthood. Adult termites typically live for around 4 years. However, the queen can live for approximately 20 years or even longer. Termite castes: termite colonies are divided into specific castes, each with a distinct role. Worker caste: workers are the labor force of the colony. Their duties include foraging for food, storing it, maintaining and repairing the nest and eggs, and feeding the larvae. Soldier caste: soldiers serve solely to protect the colony. They have large heads with oversized mandibles, which are so big that they cannot feed themselves. As a result, they rely on worker termites to feed them, much like the larvae do. Reproductive caste: this caste consists of the male and female reproductive termites, known as the king and queen. The queen's role is to lay eggs to sustain the colony, while the king mates with the queen throughout their lives. In some species, the queen's abdomen expands significantly to increase reproductive capacity. Forewarning signs of a termite infestation: 1. Mud tubes on walls. Look for tunnel-like mud tubes on both the interior and exterior walls of your home. These are passageways used by termite colonies to enter and move through the structure. 2. Swarms of winged termites. The presence of flying termites, also known as swarmers, is a clear indication that termites are nesting nearby or even inside your home. 3. Hollow-sounding wood. When you tap on wooden structures and hear a hollow echo, it often means termites have eaten away the inside, leaving behind an empty shell. 4. Sticking windows and doors. If your doors or windows suddenly become difficult to open or close, it could be due to termites creating mud tunnels that increase moisture in the wood, causing it to swell. Now you've seen just how much damage termites can cause, right? By the time you realize they've invaded, your house could already be halfway gone. Termites are truly a serious threat. After watching this video, don't forget to check your home for any signs of termite activity. From all of us at BuayHowTo, we wish you the best in staying safe and termite-free. In our next video, we'll introduce you to another termite species, so be sure to stay tuned.